Today, we're getting the Times Square ball ready for New Year's Eve. We're replacing 192 of the Waterford Crystal triangles on the ball with a new pattern, the Gift of Love. It's an overlapping circle of hearts entwined together, bringing love to our family, friends, and community. A great way to start 2023. Today, the workers from AMA are actually installing the new Gift of Love triangles on the Times Square ball.
So when you've got this beautiful crystal panel right here, this is actually one of the panels from the ball. Better not drop it, right? Or someone's going to come looking for me. But what happens is when this is kind of introduced to the world and you see those brilliant light combinations, that Gift of Love is very, very special. And it's year 10. This is the final year of the Greatest Gift series, all the way to finish, right? The Gift of Love, very, very special.
The Times Square ball weighs nearly 6 tons. It's 12 feet in diameter and it's covered in 2,688 Waterford Crystal triangles.
When you see that fine Waterford crystals just shining and sparkling, and you've got something in the region of 32,000 LED lights that sit behind the crystal panel itself, and then they start to shine, all the software takes over and it generates over 7 billion light combinations, and you got this kaleidoscope, this magical kind of design that you're looking at, and it's really, really special for me because I'm thinking, wow, that's a Waterford ball up there, so I'm really, really proud of this. I just want to wish everybody just a wondrous, a glorious, a happy, and a hopeful 2023, because the Gift of Love, wasn't just designed for this year, or shouldn't just be for this year. The Gift of Love should be for every single year. So if you as a person, if you've got the foundation of love and hope right there, if that's your foundation, you are set. You can take on the world.